بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I would like to continue the Art Shawwal, which is the Black Friday, and we are here. The day on which Al Saud destroyed the holy shrine of Bibi Fatima Zahra. Imam Hassan, Imam Zainul Abidin, Imam Muhammad Baqir, as well Imam Zafar Sadiq alayhi salam. It was very easy for them to destroy it. It was very easy for them to remove it. But we in India, it is still there in our heart. You cannot take it out from our heart. It will always be there in our heart. As well, we will request, we will protest with peace and love and ask them to rebuild it. If you cannot, we will rebuild it. Let us get together and rebuild Jannatul Baqi once again. Thank you so much.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.